Tea polyphenol extract. Stable from start. Accuracy 0.0 gram. Live weighing. Step 1. Efficient extract. Heat to 80 C. Stable potency. Double efficiency. Aliquot to tubes. Step 2. Precision purification. Powerfully removes all impurities and fibers, yielding a crystal clear extract. Pure quality, worry-free production. Step 3. Uniform mixing and dissolution. Stir gently and continuously. Dissolve thickener fully. Achieve uniform mixing. Consistent texture. Stable batches. Precision process. Solves key challenges. Consistent texture. Stable batches.